Top 5 Best Portable Insulin Refrigerator in 2024. Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. Insulin Small Refrigerator Portable Medicine Box. Insulin Small Refrigerator Portable Medicine Box. Large capacity battery USB car pill box, pill refrigerated incubator. Intelligent operation. Intelligent temperature control, convenient for the elderly. It has a large LCD control screen and clear adjustment buttons. Insulin, drugs, growth hormone, vaccines, eye drops, etc. can be refrigerated. Upgraded large battery capacity can last up to 26 hours. Low noise. Medication coolers are easy to carry, and the low noise below 30 dB can provide you with a quiet environment. For insulin and vaccines, the temperature should be controlled at 32.0 to 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Insulin refrigerator successfully solves the problem of drug storage, and it is also very convenient to carry out. A variety of power supply methods, 12 volts for cars, 110, 220 volts for home use. No need for converters. Designed for those who need to work in the car, plane, travel, office, home, and outdoors. Number 5. Insulin Cooler. Large capacity convenient box rechargeable medicine cooler. Insulin Cooler Large Capacity Heat Convenient Chargeable Medicine Cooler USB Box Mounted Pill Refrigeration Medical Kit. Product Description. Double-layered structure design, large storage space, variable frequency refrigeration, energy saving, low decibel operation, only 30 dB. Applicable to various patient groups, such as diabetes, hypertension, cardiology, and other conventional drug users. 600 mAh lithium battery, large capacity battery, long battery life. Semiconductor variable frequency constant temperature control chip, suitable for various scenarios: home, car, outdoor, long distance. It is the perfect gift for parents or loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.